Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to be more polite in English using 6 phrases. Would, could, may, excuse me, please, and sorry. We use these 6 phrases sometimes in a combination in a sentence to be more polite. So starting off with would. We use would in place of want to ask for something in a more polite manner. So instead of saying, I want a glass of water, we would say something like, I would like a glass of water, please. Notice how I am adding please to the end of the sentence. That adds extra politeness. If you are asked, where would you like to go? You would simply reply, I would like to go to the beach today. It's sunny. That brings us to our next point. You can also ask questions in a polite way. What would you like to eat today? Not what do you want to eat today? That is a little bit impolite. So instead, use would like. Now, we also use could in a polite way in place of can. So instead of saying, can I know where your restroom is? It's better to say, could I use your restroom, please? So notice again, I'm adding please to the end of the sentence, making it more polite. Now, could and may are very similar. So instead of saying to someone you just met, who are you? What is your name? A better way to ask that would be, may I know your name, please? Or could I know your name? So often you can use may and could interchangeably. You can use either one. If sometimes you feel like you are interrupting someone, or you want to capture someone's attention in a polite way, you could either say excuse me or sorry. Even though you are not doing anything wrong, you can use sorry in a polite manner. So for example, if I am at a restaurant and I want to capture the waiter's attention, I might say, excuse me, may I have the menu please? Sometimes when you are interrupting someone, you can say sorry to interrupt. So if two people are talking to each other and you want to say something, sorry to interrupt. May I have a word? Thank you for listening to me today, and see you next time.